morning. I'm out at the Indiana Dunes National Park. Right now it's just before sunrise, and I'm hoping I can grab a photo over here. Woke up nice and early, made the drive out. It's only about an hour from the city. And we're at peak leaves changing, autumn leaves, fall leaves, colors, all of that. So the last few weeks you've seen photos from the city. Now we're gonna try and get some photos just outside the city at a national park. Alright, so we are still before sunrise, but I have found my first composition of the morning. Now, I had one shot in mind when I made this trip, when I decided to come out here, and that photo's not happening because I doubt you're going to be able to see anything, but way out there's a line of trees that have already completely had all of their leaves fall off. And had a single tree picked out that I was going to shoot against that, but again, that has already changed. So what I have found instead is against this whole line of trees, we have 3 trees that have already changed from green to red. So the middle one is the one that has changed the most. It's the most prominent, and so I've put that right in the center of the frame, and going to kind of have, this is a landscape photo, I'm going to have that right in the middle with the 2 others on the side, and hopefully this works out. But we're going to wait for the sun to come up just a little bit, see if we can get it to give us some nice warm morning light. We'll see, because there are some clouds out on the horizon, if it breaks through or if it just lightens everything up. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be patient, see how this goes. Well, it is officially sunrise, and clouds on the horizon have dictated that there will not be any golden light breaking through, but that's okay. What I have done is I have actually switched from a landscape photo to a portrait orientation, and just isolated the single tree that is kind of the most prominent. I felt like the other 2 were not really adding as much to the photo, so I decided to change it up. So right now I have the Fuji X-T3, the 35 f2 lens, and my settings are f5.6, my shutter speed's at 1/15 of a second, and my ISO's at 250. And with 2-second delay, 2-second shutter speed, or not shutter speed, shutter delay, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go ahead and take this photo because I think that's gonna be the best light we're getting here for quite some while, because it's not really happening. Well, now I'm gonna go on a hike and down this trail and see if we can find anything else.